Introducing the BBQ CTT countertop tube. It includes 2 of the one-way couplers for easy mounting into your barbecue frame. It's identified with blue paint for CTT or is used as an end frame. Now it's all ready to install into your 32-inch depth module. This is the non-telescoping, means it's only cut for this 32-inch depth frame. You can see how easy it is to install into the countertop frame here. Now the reason why you would want something like this is you don't want a big empty hole in the top of your frame here. You need something for the support the cement board, the countertop. So you would want to put some of these underneath here like this. So now let's say you have a slide-in side burner, slide-in grill, or slide-in bar center. That are already coming with these countertop supports. So those areas you're not going to need these. But maybe let's say, for example, you have a grill over there on the far end of the module and nothing on this side. So you're going to need some countertop supports, and those are sold separately. Now, these are also the same size as the end frame tubes here. So if you're doing something custom, you can order this to make your own end frames. This can also be used for building maybe a custom drawer or shelf, because they fit nicely between the vertical tubes down here below, like so. Or you could make some type of shelf, or they even fit down here in the base of the frame. If you want to make more strength horizontally in the base, like so, or maybe you want to put these across the bottom so you can make a shelf on the bottom with cement board, that would be nice. So there's a lot of reasons why you might want to order some of these extra CTT countertop tubes, and they include the one-way couplers, and they're identified with blue paint. Thank you.